of Basic and Senior Secondary Education, on Friday, 21st August, made his first visit to the construction site of the ongoing Potloko Secondary School for Girls in the company of the Managing Director of Mercury International Company Sierra Leone Limited, Martin Michael, and Resident Minister Northwest Madam Haja Aissata Abdullah Kamara, and senior staff of the Ministry of Basic and Senior Secondary Education, and the architectural design consultants of the project, Ideas Company Limited.
We're here at the Girls Secondary School in Potloko. That started as an idea. It started as an instruction from the President. The President wanted the Girls Secondary School in Potloko, and he communicated that to me. And Mercury International and Martin had reached out with commitments that they'd made to the free quality school education program. And we sat down and had a vision, drew up a plan, and they brought the architects to me, and we discussed ideas around what needed to be where in terms of the lighting, using nature, using the structure of the building as shells. And it's incredible where we are. I mean, 5 months and we have a near complete structure. But the most incredible part is it will be ready on October 5th when girls will come to school. And that is part of our commitment to ensuring that equity, universal access for education for everybody, and most importantly, radical inclusion, that girls can have access to the best quality education in Sierra Leone, irrespective of where they come from. I can't wait to come back to open the school because everything else I've seen is fantastic, and I want to come and open it. I want to come and be here, and I was joking that maybe I want to go back to school, but on the day when it opens, I'll come and I'll go back to school and I'll join the girls from Potloko, and everybody should be proud, not just people from Potloko, but every Sierra Leonean should be proud. And I'm really grateful that we're able to demonstrate this with Mercury International and with an MD who is perhaps most accessible, most communicative, most collaborative. And that's what partnership is, that's what collaboration is. And as a minister, it will be an example. It definitely is something I use it for my team to say, look, I expect that this is the project update that I have. I expect that this should happen within this time. And that's what partnership should be, that everybody learns, everybody grows, and everybody develops the products that we can all be proud of.